Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. Wear a hat. If you see me outside, I've got my lifeguard hat on. Get that blood flowing. It's like working out the arms or your muscles of your leg. Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare, and today is day 3 of our 14-day all over challenge. Face, hair, skin, nails. I'm even going to show you some fashion. I want to make sure you're all drinking your apple cider vinegar. Since I did a couple of these videos in a row, I've already drinking some apple cider vinegar, but here's my shot glass. Go ahead and let's fill it up about halfway. Add some water and let's drink our apple cider vinegar down with a water chaser, just for our gut health. Have you skipped your dairy? We're on day 3. How are we doing? Did we skip milk or cheese or anything that has dairy in it? I really want to hope that you're doing that. Do you have your hair back right now with some leave-in conditioner in a ponytail or a bun or under a hat? Whatever creative ideas you have, let's share them below for everyone else. Another thing, make sure we're not putting anything under our mask. Now, I have been wearing my sunscreen because I want to make sure it's comfortable, my zinc oxide, but I don't want anything under your mask. And if you're wearing a mask outside, follow some of my videos for mask acne about how to prep it. But let's make sure that we're keeping everything clean under our mask and wash this after every time you use it. We also have 100% cotton amazing masks available online, and if you buy products, I'll even send you one. And it's great because you can tie it and just have it hang and then pull it up when you need it. Today is about masking. Masking is so important for the health of your skin. The way that I want you to think of masking is I want you to think of your skin telling you something's wrong by pushing things out, by pushing out impurities. If your gut health is bad, if you've had breakout before and you're just starting a new product, whether it's Peaches or something else, and you're purging or you're cleaning out, it is your skin getting rid of old tissue. I like to say layers of saran wrap. Any diseases, bacteria and fungus that are in those layers are coming out and cleaning out so that new, beautiful, healthy tissue can come out afterwards. And that healthy tissue many times doesn't have some of the sun damage, doesn't have the dark spots, doesn't have the acne. And there's a doctor on YouTube who talks about dark skin. I think all skin is normal and all skin can be treated the same. But she says how if you have dark skin, you get a mark or a bite or a burn and you have a mark forever. I had spider bites over here that are already gone. All you have to do is exfoliate that skin and then make sure you're masking. Now, masks come in different levels. Masking can be to hydrate, masking can be to heal the skin, and masking can be to pull out the impurities and help the skin to purge. One of my favorite masks is Milk of Magnesia. I also love the Karuna hydrating mask. I also consider this to be masking. Washing your skin, exfoliating first to loosen, then washing. I'm going to do that for you right now. And putting on an olive oil mask. Just putting some extra virgin olive oil on your face. Putting on a light layer of Vaseline if you've got the heaters going and the fireplace going and it's snowing outside right now and you just walk the dog and you're just feeling dehydrated. Do not change your skincare. Skincare should be like feeding the skin. You don't stop drinking water. You don't stop eating apples or vegetables and fruit. Don't stop feeding your skin, but learn to mask at this time of year or throughout the years. So during the 7-day challenge, I want you masking every day. The beauty of it for me is that I wear a Milk of Magnesia mask to bed every night. And any of you who don't know me, I learned about this from a very famous model years ago, actually a very famous singer's wife, and she was a model. And she wore Milk of Magnesia prior to having her makeup done. She swore it took away wrinkles, and she still does not have any. And I think it is absolutely one of the reasons that I do not have crepey skin. My skin is very smooth because I wear Milk of Magnesia to bed at night. I also wear it to bed at night because at night is when our skin heals, and it's when your skin purges out any impurities. And so wearing a mask to bed if you're in your 20s 20s or 30s, or you're still breaking out in your 50s, is going to help to pull those things out. Now, the first thing you want to do is obviously have clean skin, and I just thought I would show all of you today. Now, I would go down to my chest and neck, I would get my back. When you're cleaning and exfoliating, get that blood flowing. Get right up to your hairline. We're going to rinse this off. I am using a flawless exfoliator. If you have an exfoliator you love at home, just make sure it is very soft. An exfoliator should not have giant chunks of walnut. It shouldn't be some peel that you've got to mix in a crazy way and hope it doesn't burn your face. It should be gentle. This is pomegranate, coffee, blueberries, Go-To cola. It's gentle and it can be used every day. Now I want you to wash your face. Really feed it. And again, just make sure what you're using is feeding your skin. This is what we call our face food. It is sugar cane, grapefruit acid, wonderful natural botanicals that are very healing. And again, I just wanted to show you. Now, if you have a Foreo, you can use your Foreo. But for masking purposes, this might be the middle of the day where you have a little extra time. You might be doing this after your whole nighttime regime, and you can do that as well. Many of you know when I wake up in the morning, before I make the bed and take care of the pup, I will just go in and wash my face. Okay, now there's 14-day challenge. Wash your face in the morning, people. Please wash your face in the morning. You have to clean your skin. The skin purges and cleans out at night. You want to get all of that gook off your face. I will go in and wash my face, and I will put on our Miracle Mask. Miracle Mask helps with wrinkles and is healing and hydrating and helps with brown spots. But today I thought I would show you Milk and Magnesia. It's very affordable. You want original flavor, no cherry, no nothing. If you've got a mask at home you want to put on right now, maybe the Karuna mask, maybe you do own Miracle Mask, let's put that on. If you want to put a light layer of olive oil on your face right now, let's put that on. If you want to put some Vaseline on your face. What I love about Milk and Magnesia on any skin, not just young skin, if it's acneic, it's going to dry it up naturally. If you're older, it is going to keep your skin firm and hydrated. It is healing. It is anti-inflammatory. They use it on bed sores in the hospital. They use it on diaper rash on babies. It's very healing. My point, I want you all masking every single day. The point is for all of you to see how beautiful your skin can look after 14 days. Now get it all over your skin. I'm going to let this dry. If you're lucky enough to have a hot tub or a bathtub, go in and relax. Just sit there with your mask on. If you want to put an eye gel on your eyes, go for it. Put an eye gel on your eyes. If you want to take a nap and just lay down and let this mask sit, you can leave any of these beautiful things on your face for hours or for just 20 to 30 minutes. So what we've done is we have done our hair. My hair is in its leave-in conditioner and nice and coiffed. I have done my facial yoga. Maybe I had some time to do it in the shower. Maybe I did it when I first woke up in the morning. Maybe I did it while I was vacuuming. There are many times when I'm vacuuming, I'm holding my face in this pose. Many times. And now we're masking. We've drank in our apple cider vinegar, and we are going to make sure that if we go outside that we have sunscreen on and a wide-brimmed hat. And if you want to wear sunscreen in the house, I do absolutely advocate just a zinc oxide, something that is nice and comfortable and not chemical. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm just trying to give you some great tips for these next 14 days. Comment with love below. Let me know you're doing it because at least 3 of you are going to get some Peaches products. You might even get a phone call from me if you'd like that. And I just hope I'm motivating you to be your best, to feel your best. If you're having a bad day and you barely can get out of your pajamas, I want you to go in right now, shower, put a mask on, do your hair, maybe do some facial yoga moves, and say a beautiful mantra to yourself. today is the beginning of amazing things in my life. Or it might be, I am going to do things I never thought I would do, and I'm going to be more powerful than I've ever been. Say things to you. Take care of you. Be positive to you, and you will be better for everyone around you. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all stay beautiful naturally.